Rebuilding Together, formerly Christmas in April, was founded in the mountain communities in 1994. It's an affiliate of America's largest national hands-on volunteer association, with more than 100,000 volunteers in more than 150 locations. We're dedicated to rehabilitating the homes of homeowners in need, particularly the elderly, the disabled, and families with children, so they can live in warmth, safety, and independence.
When it started with a bunch of contractors, they went and met at the bar in Blue Jay and talked about it, and then maybe like that next Saturday they went out and went and bought the materials out of their own pocket and did the job.
Rebuilding Together has grown into the signature charity event in the mountains. Each year we gather more than 400 volunteers who, on the last Saturday in April, fan out to paint, clean, and fix up homes all over our mountain communities.
And I expected it to be a one-day event, and it was a 20-year life-changing event. And it sort of defined who I am, really.